So I start off with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish in the shade Fair Warm. It's really light, matte, and high coverage, so it's pretty much all I use just like to spot conceal. I don't wear foundation, so yeah. Then I curl my lashes with this curler I got from Shein. It actually works pretty well. Then I contour with the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Truffles. I promise it gets blended out better later, but yeah, it works really well. I used to not contour, but I do now. Then I contour my eye shape to kind of make them look more lifted. I also add shadow to the bottom of my lip. Then I use a darker shade to define kind of an eye line. Then I also add more shadow to the bottom of my lip. Then I use the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Brandywine. I also use that for eyeliner, or kind of soft wing. I also tightline my eyes. I look so silly here. Then I add concealer underneath my eyes to cover my dark circles and to kind of clean up the eyeshadow. Blend it out. It's again the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Then I use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This one's in the shade Blossom Glow. It's a kind of a pinkish color. I put that on my lids, cheekbones, and the tip of my nose. And I also put some in the inner corners to really brighten it up. Then I use the LA Girl Dream Glitter Iridescent Liquid Eyeshadow. This is so pretty, and I just got it. It adds like a nice chunky sort of pearly glitter, and I put that on my cheeks, lids, and inner corners. This is the Wet n Wild matte lipstick in the shade Mochalicious. It's really pretty. I also just got it. It's kind of a brownish pink again, and I blend that out with my finger. Then I use this Wet n Wild Mega Slick Lip Gloss in the shade Raspberry Voice. And done.
It's as